Here's how to create a group text on most Android phones. First, go into the Messages app and start a new conversation. Typically, this is done by tapping an icon in the bottom right. After that, if you see the option to create a group, go ahead and tap it, and you'll come to a screen where you can begin adding people to the conversation. Go ahead and start adding them. If you didn't have the option to create the group, go ahead and just start adding people anyway. By adding people, I mean typing in their numbers or their names. If you have communicated with them before, they will usually pop up after the first few digits, and then you can just tap on them. Some of you will need to tap this icon to add additional people after the first one, or you might have to select the three dots out to the side to get the option to add additional people. If you didn't see an option to create a group before, it will likely appear after you add the second person. So go ahead and select that if you get it. Once all your people are selected, you should see the option to either start the conversation or to go to the next screen. From there, you will likely get the option to name the conversation. After that, select Done, and you are ready to have your conversation. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.